To customize icons on OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to move to wallpapers and style, scroll down and select icons. Right here, you'll be able to adjust different icons options, like if you pick a people, then it will change the outline of your icons. As you can see, you can go for any other option right here. Additionally, we have the Art Plus icons. If you activate them for some of the apps, the entire style may change. So as you can see, Instagram does change a little bit. Then we have the icon size that you can customize. You can show or hide app names, and also change the size for that text as well. Make sure to apply the settings when you're finished, and your icons will be changed. So that is basically everything.